Hello friends, in chapter number 1 we learn activity 1.8. Activity 1.8 says us that to study photochemical decomposition of silver chloride. To study photochemical decomposition of silver chloride. In this activity, photochemical word indicates itself. The reaction can be present in sunlight. Let's try to learn. Take approximately 2 grams of silver chloride in a china dish. This we use in our chemistry laboratory. It is china dish. In china dish, take approximately 2 grams of silver chloride. Expose it in sunlight for some time. What we do? Take a china dish and put a china dish into sunlight. After some time, observation says us that before or when we put silver chloride in sunlight, its color is white. When we put silver chloride in sunlight, when we expose in sunlight, its color is white. But when it exposes in sunlight, is white color change into gray. When we put silver chloride exposed in sunlight, the color of silver chloride is white. But when expose it, its color change and it converted into gray. So the formation of silver chloride, in process of silver chloride, formation of silver can be occurred. So write the equation for this activity. AgCl, presence of sunlight, formation of Ag can occur and chlorine gas can occur. To balance the equation, here Cl have 2 atoms, so we put 2. But Ag imbalance, so we put 2 before Ag. This type of reaction can show photochemical reaction with the example of silver chloride. The another example is silver bromide also takes place this type of reaction. So reaction of silver bromide is chemical reaction of silver chloride. Chemical reaction of silver bromide. The reaction is AgCl. Instead of here we write AgBr in solid form, means powder form means solid, gives us 2Ag solid, balance the equation, plus Br2 means gas. This type of reaction can seen in silver bromide. The use of silver chloride and silver bromide silver chloride means AgCl and silver bromide AgBr are use in black and white photography in film. Here one marks important question can arrive, which is use of AgCl and AgBr. Use of AgCl and AgBr, silver chloride AgCl and silver bromide HBr are used in black and white photography in film. So in this activity we learn photochemical reaction with the example of silver chloride. According to silver chloride, AgCl, presence of sunlight, 2Ag plus Cl2. Along with silver chloride we also learn silver bromide. Chemical reaction of silver bromide is 2AgBr gives us 2Ag plus Br2, and the most uses of silver chloride and silver bromide are black and white photography. In next session we learn about textual exercise question related to decomposition and chemical combination reaction.